One of the requirements of our ICO is that admin could stop the ICO in case of emergency. So if something bad happens, and that happened for some ICOs. For example, the deposit address is compromised or a security bug is discovered and so on. So here I create a function, let's say halt. This function can be called only by the admin. So I use the only admin function modifier, and inside the function I write ICO state equals to state dot halted. Okay, I modified the ICO state to this value, and in another function, when somebody sends ether, I'll verify if the ICO state is running, and I will accept ether only if the ICO state is equal to running. So this is an emergency stop. Then there should be the possibility that the ICO restarts. This will be the function that restarts the ICO. Function unhalt public only admin, and here we modify the ICO state variable. So ICO state equals to state dot running. Okay. Now let's create a function that returns the state of our ICO. So function get current state. This is a public function, a view function that returns a variable of type state. This is our enum variable. And now if ICO state is equal to state dot halted, then I could simply write here return state dot halted. Okay, but for the clarity, let's use curly braces. So here, okay, else if, and now we verify if our ICO is before start. So that means block.timestamp is less than sales start. If this test is true, then we return state dot before start. Now the running state. So what means running state? It means that the time is between sale start and sale end. So block.timestamp greater than or equal to sale start, and block.timestamp is less than or equal to sale end. If this condition is true, we return state.running. I think it's a good idea if we have our variable named sales start instead of sales start, so it's more clear. So here sales start and sale end, and the state variables should also be sale start and sale end. So here I modify in sale start and sale end. Okay, it doesn't matter how we call our variables. Perfect. So back to our get current state. And we have another else here, and the only possibility is to return the state dot after end. So if the block timestamp is not greater than or equal to sale start and less than or equal to sale end, then our ICO is after sale end, and we return after end. This is our get current state. If we declared these two administrative functions, halt and unhalt, we can also declare another function that can be run only by the admin and changes the deposit address. As I said, if anything bad happens. So let's declare another function here, change deposit address. this function has an argument. The new deposit is a public function, but can be run only by the admin. So it can be run from the outside of this contract. This is what public means, but only if it is run by the admin. So this is the security we impose with this function modifier. And here I write deposit equals to new deposit. I think this is enough for this moment. In the next lecture, we'll implement the main invest function. See you soon.